So I was sent this 3-in-1 light socket outlet adapter, and I tested it out using a standing lamp in my living room. Setup was super easy. I just screwed it into the lamp socket like a regular bulb, and right away it gave me both a working light and a 3-prong outlet. To test it out, I plugged in my balloon inflator and it worked perfectly. The inflator powered up immediately, and as I held the balloon over the nozzle, it started filling up fast. The airflow was steady, and each balloon inflated within just seconds. No issues whatsoever. So the 7-inch extension cord made it really convenient to move the inflator around without tugging on the socket or cord. Now it's an ideal companion for your garage, balcony, porch, your garden, patio, or just outdoor light fixtures, or just to act as an extra easy to add temporary socket. And I highly recommend this 3-in-1 light socket adapter, which works amazing.